power is now officially off. I'm going down the stairways so that we can check to see if there's any fires in the building.
Attention, attention. An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators. Operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
As you can see, it's a little scary now. The lights are off. I have my flashlight on my head. The alarm's going off in the building saying that there's an emergency. Went into the stairwell to see if I can smell any smoke just to make sure that there's no fire. So it is getting a little bit rougher now. As you can hear the noise on the door with the wind gusts. The wind is so strong that it's coming inside of our building. That's to the stairwell. As you can see, the force of the wind is actually coming into the building. And it's making some very, very terrifying noises. I don't know if you can hear them, but it's quite impressive and scary. So we're here and we're going to continue to broadcast, just showing you a little bit about what we're going through. So on top of the lights being off, water being out, the emergency siren is going off, and the building is making all sorts of creaks and moans. Stay with us, guys. This is still just the beginning. Thank you.